There was 2 lamb shanks on here. There's only 1 now. Evidence of the lone lamb shank, but no lamb shank. There's just a tinfoil. Hopefully it hurt their teeth. Damn mongrel bloody whacker.
That would have been so worth it if you caught that on camera.
Oh. Flame grip. Well, look at that. After a bloody whacker come in and stole our food, we're left with 1 lamb shank. But all is not lost. We can share this lamb shank. Have some lamb shank.
Thank you
got,
very
you got
much,
that piece
sir.
and you got that piece there.
Thank you. Oh,
You don't have to take them both at once, though. You can if you like. It was like a hand towel.
oh Wicker might get a, I hope, a good bit of lamb.
Help yourself to some serviettes. No, it was Boundary Road time. This is an American Pale Ale, big citrus notes, solid malt base. Well, that'll be curious. Let's crack this little sucker open and see how she goes. You definitely get a little bit of hint of citrus, but I think there's more malt in this one than citrus. Go look at the old wickers. They're over there at the pizza oven looking at maybe trying to get a chow down. I know you probably can't see me here, but we are here at Slab Hut Creek. I can tell you this, it is a beautiful, absolutely fabulous spot to be camping in. Great place to enjoy a Boundary Road beer and lamb shanks and wickers. They love lamb shanks. Can't be no complaining about that. But we have the stars coming out. You probably can't see it because they're not night mode. And the moon is out behind us. So we should have some pretty good, spectacular nightlight going on. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, there's the lamb shanks. Check that out. They are heating to deliciousness. So in here we have the very funky pizza oven. No pizza's being cooked in here though at the moment, but it is very cool. And look at the moon. Spectacular. Look at that, y'all. That is a steaming hot lamb shank done on the Yellow Express barbecue. Not that I'm giving no credit to it, but you know, that is pretty damn super fine, delissimo looking lamb shank. Slow cooked, of course, beforehand and brought up and just done that reheat. We've got a bit of steam filming on the lens. Let me just wipe you off there. Get some steam off your celestial body. Is it? That's probably not really the correct thing to say, but
Oh, if you're talking to God, celestial body. Oh, it's fantastic.
Oh, it's good. That's good. That's good. We've got some shankle enjoyment. The night rolls on, which is good, and we sat next to our little wee barbecue and got a little bit of heat from that. Actually generate quite a bit of warmth. Had the tarp up and there was a bit of heat there. So it became a really nice night just to settle in. Didn't get that cold, +3 degrees, not too terrible. Off into bed we go. Light sizzle of some bacon. Sun's trying to come up through some cloud and it's time to pack up. And as you can see here, damn whackers. They are out there looking for something that they can get their little wee pesky beaks into. It's been a cracker night, day, morning, ride, all that on this wonderful King's birthday weekend. So now it's time to go. I should have done this last night, but got digressed. Let's pay the money. So we've got $10. Find that bird, you get 10 grand. People come here to do a bit of gold panning. People across the river there, gold panning solution. Hope you'll find a few specks. Blue skies out, that's pretty awesome, eh? Gotta say, Slab Hut Creek beautiful spot to stay. I could imagine in the summertime this would be pretty awesome as well. Nice river to swim in maybe. I do believe you do get a few wasps and sandflies no doubt through that period, but hey, look, you know, you take it what you get, and this is the way that it is. You can hire gold pan from down in Reefton, come down here, do a bit of fossicking, see what you can find, see if you can make $1 million and take it back and get your money back or whatever you do. So options. We stopped to put the wet weather gear on and we're off again. Heading back home, west coast, turning off Ngāhere and heading through Nelson Creek. I haven't been through there. I don't recall ever actually being through there. I may have done, I don't know. Through the little town of Nelson Creek. Pubs for sale actually, $650,000 thereabouts I think I saw an advertisement for. Could be wrong, could be gone. Great place I think to come back and explore, hopefully when it's sunny again one day sooner than later. Maybe in the summertime, I'm not too sure. And then you head from here and you come out down near Lake Brunner, the main road. We're heading up a gravel road up to the close ditch via Rotoromanu and something or other. Yes, should be a good time. Oh, it should be good. Yeah. Some gravel just past Nelson Creek, heading on the last stretch of the road. Actually, it's not that bad as long as you've got a bit of confidence to take it at the speed you want. Don't do anything silly. There was a bit wet and greasy in spots, but Griso is a heavy old lump of weight. It sinks into the mud, gravel. Okay, the momentum just keeps us drifting along. So just let the bike, I find, just let it flow underneath you. Don't do anything stupid, anything dramatic any time, and the bike will just keep going where you need it to go. Especially on the corners though, slow it down and you'll be fine. That's the way I do it and see it, and just be ready to do whatever it is to maneuver out of the way of either potholes or hopefully not oncoming traffic or anything like that. Getting back to the Seal again. Really enjoyed that trek through Nelson Creek. Really do want to go back there. I think that would be an awesome spot. I think that's another place where maybe some gold or whatever was or is. And yeah, I think it'd be really awesome to head back there. I often find myself in reflection on these rides when riding back home again, or even riding out from home. All the things that you do in life, all the things you don't do and want to do, and so on. You see what other people are doing out there while you're out there doing the thing as well. Talking to some people sometimes. It is a blast. It's really good and sort of really grounding and helps you sort of find a really good space in your own mind, I think, especially with this riding and so on. We're heading towards Arthur's Pass, over the Arthur's Pass.
Arthur's Pass Village, we stopped at the Wobbly Kia. Ironically, this place wasn't serving any beer. That was what we were really desiring after being so wet for so long. But some bangers and mash and a warm fire was a really good diversion, relief from the rain, until we jumped back on the bikes again to head over, coming over Porter's Pass now, and then onto the Canterbury Plains for the last stretch home. I often find it quite interesting once we do get home and start looking back on the footage that we've taken and looking at things that have happened. And one thing that I've found really kind of intriguing was the Kokako, and the bird that has not been seen in the South Island for such a long time, and that this bird is well sought after in a sense for its conservation, and listening to some of the sounds that the bird makes, which you would have heard earlier on, and also the fact that they're offering a $10,000 reward almost makes you want to go jungle and try and hunt down this little wee critter. They are still in survival in the North Island, but the South Island one has not been seen for a very long time, even with some unconfirmed sightings of the bird. This might be the end, but it's not really the end. I'm looking forward to getting out there and riding through the winter time, whether I go camping or whether it's just little day rides and stuff. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment and all that stuff, man. I'll look forward to seeing you again real soon. Thank you.